am back finally. It's been a very long time, over a week almost. You would have seen a stack of videos prior to this of me doing tours and all sorts of stuff. I don't know how the light's going to go with this camera. They flicker like crazy in here for some reason. But I am at Powertune. Ooh, just blew a bubble. I obviously am at Powertune in the wiring room because we had a massive order. We needed to smash 30 of these custom looms out. So yeah, I've just been sort of trying to help the guys out and get them done because they have to be done before the end of this week. This video is going to be very delayed, but I'm just going to run down exactly what I've been doing because it is really interesting. And obviously ads and old Pivo, the truck. This is what they normally do day in, day out. So I've just been trying to help them, I guess. And then, yeah, Pete's obviously got his 3D scanners running 24/7. I figured you guys might be interested in how this works. So pretty much this is one loom. It's nowhere near finished. But to get it to this point is obviously a lot of work. So obviously, yeah, this connector here runs all the way down to this connector here. OG. So this will go into a custom box that's made by Powertune, which then plugs into the factory plugs on this end. So pretty much it's just a plug and play kit. I don't know the exact car or factory car this is for. I probably should know that. Or maybe if I did know that, I'm not allowed to tell you just yet. But yeah, these are going overseas. This is like one stage, obviously pinning it all out, making sure it's all correct, setting up all the expander points, and then like last night I smashed out all the crimping for the expanders, all the ID tags and whatnot. But yeah, we obviously have the crimping machine, which helps a lot. And then obviously the cable measuring machine over there. So you can just chuck a reel in, see on the ground down there. And chuck 250 mil into the machine. It will spit 250 mil cables out. Or like 850, or I think these were 1500 or something. I don't know. I'm gonna get straight back into it, so it looks like I'm flat out before the boys even get here. Alright, we'll do a few time lapses. I just need to put that on your collar there, mate.
Is it on?
Yeah, mate.
Mic check. Is it working?
That's actually way too loud. I've got to turn it down.
Fucking road, number one.
Welcome back, brother.
It's good to be home.
So Chia and Ryan just got back from Qatar, and good trip.
Yeah, it was good, man.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, enjoyed it.
Oh, these mics are sick. I can hear you loud and clear. You don't have to yell or anything.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't have the L?
Sorry about that, guys. So what are you doing here?
Just tuning this car. It's got a Motec in it.
Yep.
I think Gab, all-drive Subaru, I think they just got a new motor in it, so a new turbo. Just gonna tune it.
Is this a EJ25?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Goya rad.
He's not happy. He wanted the Phoenix.
Couple of ones here. Gab, fucking slacker.
Hey. Oh, it's got one.
Yeah.
Have you already done the tune?
Yeah, I've done most of it now.
Yep.
It's just got to do its final power runs.
Sweet.
It's on 98 fuel. Small turbo, top mount intercooler. But no, honestly, Gab does a good job. He makes it easy for me.
Yep.
Just gets on the dyno.
This is one of those rare cars where it's just the tune,
Yeah.
and it actually is just the tune.
Nearly all these cars that come to me now,
Yep.
or come to Powertune, it's just so good. It's actually tuning, not mechanical repairs.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah, I really like working for him.
for all those that want to just get a tune, when people usually ring up and say they just want a tune, it's usually like,
Fix my car,
yeah, fix my car.
then tune it.
Yeah. Which is not just the tune, and you end up with a huge bill because the guys have got to work on it flat out. So
Yeah. What's something interesting I can show you on this thing? Yeah, it's actually got a Powertune plug-in kit using a Motec M1 ECU.
Yep.
Which is very hard to get these days.
Yeah. We've got an 8-month waiting list now.
It's terrible.
It's insane. It's absolutely insane.
Yeah.
But that's how it is at the minute.
Man, it's pretty standard, I guess. There's not.
It's a good street package.
Yeah. I guess the only thing is they're so reliable now, where Subarus used to be. I think most tuners were not reliable. They're reliable now, so. And the tuning side, plus the engine building side.
Yep.
So we've come a long way with the Subarus.
And this is on 98?
Yeah.
Yep.
They runs, I think we just got on 20 PSI.
Oh, we'll do a power run, eh?
Yeah, let's do it. Probably only have one run here, Jake. Fuel lights on. Standard. Gab. Yeah, send me a car with no fuel. Alright, just waiting for the laptop to boot up now. When you're listening to this on the playback, you think, what the fuck is he doing? Alright, we're on. Here we go. than the wheels. So the turbo's like pretty small, so it's choked it out, maxed it. We haven't even turned the NOS on, so I think they're going to tell the owner get a bigger turbo, and then yeah, they'll really turn the wick up.
Tuning done?
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
So what was the verdict? Turbo too small?
Yeah, I think the combo's wrong.
Yep.
Big camshaft, small turbo. It wants to start going the engine, and then yeah, she's
Chokes up.
yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Cool. So Cheers been away. The boys have got the RX-8 started. This is Cheers. This is a reaction video.
She's fucking alive.
Good work, boys.